Hello traders, I'm going to show you a Bitcoin daily update. There is a parallel channel and parallel channel upper level made a bull flag. If bull flag is mature, the probability is more than uptrend. That's only BTC update. Next move to the Ethereum. Actually we can see a wedge pattern, ascending wedge pattern. If break out the ascending wedge pattern down trend line, market can be reach this area 2000 2395 2354. This area market can be reached. Next the Solana, we can see a parallel channel this area. So breakout point and retest, I enter the Solana trade. Now it is break even. Solana can be possible to target this area. I risk to reward ratio 1 to 1. I'm in daily time frame. This is not a financial advice video. Next, move to the XRP. I enter the same scenario. XRP, parallel channel breakout and retest. I enter the XRP and market can be reached the profit target. Next, Ton coin, Ton USDT chart. I draw the parallel channel and breakout. After that, market is down. Market was down. When the market was down, market may make a falling wedge. After that, falling wedge is breakout and retest. We enter this area a trade. This is not a financial advice. I'm telling just. So next move to the ADA. Cardano reached the resistance level, but there is a parallel channel breakout. After that, this area and break down this area parallel channel upper level retest, we can consider the long position. Next, AVAX trade. So AVAX is breaking upper level. Next, chain link. We can see a huge parallel channel. I draw this parallel channel as I think 3 months ago. 3 months, yes, 3 months ago. This area I draw the parallel channel and market respect this parallel channel most levels. And now we can see parallel channel breakout. If breakout and retest, we can enter the long position. Yes. So next, dot. We can see dot is a parallel channel and breakout. If breakout and retest, we can enter the long position this area. Next, SUI USDT chart, and there is a parallel channel and breakout and retest. I enter this area a long position, and so SUI can be reached this area. There is a resistance level, minor resistance. I got the target this area. So next we can see a downward expanding parallel channel, expanding channel. Litecoin. Litecoin is I like coin. Litecoin upper level trend line and breakout and retest. Uh, but that point breakout is not confirmed. If if confirm if confirm the breakout, we can enter the long trade. Next, we can see near near chart. I entered this area long position. I was enter this position. I have more confirmations. There is a resist. There is a support level, and this candle is bullish engulfing candle, and there is a RSI divergence, and we can I enter this area near trade. This confirmation is very high. Next, uni trade. We can see uni is up this area. We can analyze the technical chart. Always market respect the technical levels. Next, so fall is breakout upper level, and resistance levels breakout and retest. We can enter the pull trade. Next, COMP compound token. Market up this area and down. After that, market is up and down support level, and next up and down. I enter this area a long position. Market can be up at least this area. We can see this area. We can get 10% profit. We can see volume reach the market. Volume reach the market and huge move. Volume is decrease, and after that volume is high. ICP not no trade opportunity. Next TIA Celestia coin, and I enter the Celestia coin because this is a bottom level in this chart. Also I move to the weekly time frame, and Binance Spot Crypto chart is lowest level in the Celestia coin. We can see Celestia, there is a regular bullish divergence. We can see this point to this point. I draw the trend line, and regular bullish divergence, and market is up. Market can be reached this area. So there is a bullish engulfing candle and breakout. I enter the breakout and breakout point, and market is retest. Anyone could be enter the retest this area, and I got target 2.176. Next, MKR support the parallel channel, and many situation market is down the parallel channel and up upper level, and next down and up. There is we can see a small symmetrical triangle. If symmetrical triangle upper level breakout and retest, we can enter the long position, and parallel I we get the target and this area, and stop loss this candle and below. Next, it's the 1 inch hit the upper level and breakout, not confirm that breakout. Next, INJ no trading opportunity now. So IMX is I entered the trade few days ago, and stop loss this candle to below, and parallel channel breakout and retest area. I entered the IMX long position. Next, render token. Render token is a falling wedge pattern and bullish engulfing candle. So I entered the render token long trade. That's only market update in today. So good day everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon. Comment below. Thank you.